In this video, I'll show you how to flip or rotate a photo in Google Photos. So tap on the photo that you'd like to flip or rotate, and at the bottom menu, in the second option across, tap on the edit button. That'll bring up a further menu, and in the bottom you'll be able to scroll across along suggestions and crop. So you want to tap on crop, and a menu will appear above that. So the second button across on the top menu will be to flip the image, like so. And the third button across will flip it to invert it. So when you've done that, you simply press save on the bottom right, and that'll save your new image. So that's how to flip or rotate a photo in Google Photos. Thank you for watching.